Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Rita. Today I'm preparing a spinach and steak omelette. What I have on the cutting board is just a piece of steak that I'm going to put into the Ninja chopper, and that's what I'm going to use to fill the omelet and top it. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. It's a short one. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, go ahead and click that like button and the subscribe and hit the bell notification so you will not miss out on my future uploads. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy.